Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the import range internal error in Google Sheets. This error can be frustrating when you're trying to pull data from another spreadsheet, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted out quickly by rebuilding the formula properly. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google Sheets files. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to import data. This is the main spreadsheet where you'll be working and where the import range formula will live. Make sure this sheet is fully loaded before proceeding to the next steps. Now, here's the key part. We need to gather two essential pieces of information, the spreadsheet link and the source range. These two elements are what the import range function uses to pull data correctly, so getting them right is crucial for avoiding errors. Let's start by getting the spreadsheet link. Navigate to the other spreadsheet, the one that contains the data you want to import. Once you're there, click on the URL in your browser's address bar to select it, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. This URL is the direct path to your source spreadsheet. Head back to your main spreadsheet and paste this link into an empty cell by pressing Ctrl+V. This gives us a safe reference point for the formula. Next, we need to capture the source range. Go back to the spreadsheet that contains your data. Select all the data you want to import by clicking and dragging across the cells. Once your data is highlighted, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the range reference displayed, something like A1:D10. Click on this range reference to select it, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Return to your main spreadsheet and paste this range into another empty cell. Now you have both pieces of information ready to use. It's time to build the import range formula. Click on a cell where you want the imported data to appear. Type equals import range, open parenthesis. Now click on the cell that contains the URL link you pasted earlier. This tells the formula where to look for the data. Next, add a comma. Then click on the cell that contains the cell range you copied. This specifies exactly which data to pull from that spreadsheet. Close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. Google Sheets might prompt you to grant access to the other spreadsheet. If you see a notification asking for permission, simply click Allow. This authorizes the connection between the two spreadsheets. Give it a moment to process and your data should start populating in the cells. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the import range internal error by manually rebuilding the formula with the correct references. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.